In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send campaigns in Mautic. First, open your Mautic login page, sign in with your account credentials, making sure you're using an account that has permission to create and manage campaigns. If you're working in a shared environment, avoid saving passwords in the browser for security. Once you're in, head to the Campaigns area from the main dashboard. This is where you'll create and manage your automation flows. Click New to start a fresh campaign. Give your campaign a clear, descriptive name so it's easy to find later, and add a brief description to capture the goal or audience. This is especially helpful when your team reviews or revisits the campaign. Click Save to confirm the basics. Next, click Launch Campaign Builder to open the visual canvas. Start by selecting your contact source. You can bring contacts in from a campaign form, which means they'll enter when they submit that form, or from contact segments, which pulls in people who match your saved segment criteria. For this walkthrough, we'll add a decision for clicked link in any SMS to use engagement as the trigger point. Click Add to place it on the canvas. Now click the plus icon beneath that step to continue building the flow. Choose what you want to add next. You can pick a decision, an action, or a condition. Since we want to send an email when someone meets the criteria, select Action, then choose Send Email. Give the email action a clear internal name so you can identify it quickly in reports. Decide when this event should run. For a simple flow, choose to execute it immediately after the trigger. Next, select the specific email you want to send from the dropdown. If you don't see the right one, make sure the email is created and published in your email section beforehand. Choose the email type. Marketing emails respect subscription preferences and are used for promotional communication, while transactional emails are for essential, non-promotional messages like receipts or alerts. Set a priority level if you need to influence the sending order, and configure the number of attempts in case there's a temporary delivery issue. This helps with reliability without oversending. Click Add to place the action into your campaign. At this point, you can keep building by adding more actions, decisions, or conditions to refine the journey, or click Save to preserve your campaign. Before you run it, double-check your segments, email content, and compliance settings to ensure everything sends to the right audience with the right message. That's it, your Mautic campaign is set up to send emails based on engagement, and you're ready to iterate as results come in.